drink, drank. Who drank my coffee? Eat, ate. I ate pizza for dinner last night. Put, put. Where did you put the keys? Leave, left. I left work at 7 p.m. Become, became. She became an actress. Feel, felt. I felt really sad yesterday. Tell, told. She told me that she loved me. Give, gave. I gave her the keys. Find, found. She found my wallet. Come, came. I came to school on my bicycle today. See, saw. I saw your brother at the shops. Take, took. I took the bus to work today. Think, thought. I thought that you could speak Italian? No, knew. I knew him when I was young. Make, made. I made a cake today. Go, went. I went to New York last year. Say, said. The police said that he was guilty. Do, did. Who did that? Have, had. When I was young, I had a dog. Be, was, were. I was angry.